you my current situation. Lunch at the Poseidon restaurant at the Grand Palladium. Now this is just one of the best spots on the property for seafood, and because they serve fish in its full form, head and tail intact, I just had to stop and have a glass of wine and have my fish. Now I recently developed this fish allergy, and I've been taking my antihistamine to still enjoy my fish, but today I am gonna really go on a limb and see what happens. So here goes. I will introduce you to my fish as soon as it arrives. In the meantime, cheers to your health, dearly beloved. My fish has arrived and this is absolutely wonderful. Thank you. I just cannot come to the Palladium without having fish, so I am going to indulge, and I'll tell you all about it later. What could be better? Fried fish and chips with some hot pepper, because you know, glass of wine, and of course the wonderful expanse of the Caribbean Sea. Love it, love it, love it. What is there not to love? Sheri Fun. I kid you not. I wish there was an app that could mimic taste. This snapper is so good. It is like really, really, really so good. I don't know how to allow you guys to taste it. It's really, 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 really very, very good. Now you can always wait for your server to make you your mimosa, or you can make it yourself. So we've got our orange juice and we've got our champagne right along here. And don't worry, it's always in good supply. So come along and get some. And ooh, look at the cheeses. Look at the cheeses. You know, Desiree said to me, man, I feel like I'm on a cruise ship. This is a better deal than a cruise ship because I don't have to wait for it to dock to get into the water. The Caribbean Sea beckons with the most beautiful experiences imaginable. Really, really amazing. So much cheese. I can't wait to end this video to go have some more cheese. Your cold cuts. You know, back in the day I used to love making sandwiches. I don't know where my sandwich loving experience. I mean, I still make great sandwiches. I just not a big sandwich eater nowadays. I guess I'm getting old. From my childhood, look at this. Nutella. Now when I was in Spain, some strange reason, we had Nutella every day. Can't quite figure out why. We had it for la merienda in the evenings. Maddie made it all the time. Still love the idea of Nutella. Don't really eat as much, but it's really amazing when I see it, especially when it's lined out like this. You know, I saw some people with this yesterday and I couldn't believe it. And I was wondering, where was it? Churros. Oh my goodness. So 15 pesetas. I used to buy a bag of churros every single day coming home from school when I lived in Villanueva Hills too. Oh wow. Memories of my childhood gone wild. I don't know how I was able to live without churros when I got back home. And here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have churros for breakfast this morning. This is gonna be epic. Special good morning to all of my wonderful Sheri Fun lovers. It's breakfast time. We are in the newly refurbished Movie Club restaurant right here at the Grand Palladium on the Lady Hamilton side. And you know, I never leave out my marketing tools, and I just love the Grand Palladium. Can't you tell? You saw me at breakfast. I didn't want to be on video having breakfast. It was just so good. And now I've been joined by Desley. He's having a whale of a time, and he's having a very healthful breakfast with some mimosa on the side. I'm having my beet. You know I need my beet, need my B12 every morning. And of course he's having some other mix of something there. but really, really nice. Nice decor, lovely layout, wonderful new fittings, great edifice. I'll take you up to the buffet line in a minute to show you the enhancements that have happened, and you'll see why I love it. Absolutely wonderful. It's a beautiful day out, and I hope to share a little bit of the day with you as we go along. Now, this was really a big surprise, and for those of you who have journeyed with us on our many trips to Grand Palladium, you will be just as surprised as I am to see all the changes that have happened, and of course the changes on the buffet line. Nice little touches that make all the difference. I don't know, I guess I'll never quite know, but those who know why they need their Smirnoff and their Absolute at breakfast. I will leave well alone. What I do not understand, I will let it slide. So there you go. Oops. Oh, it's making sense now. The Bloody Mary with the salted rim glasses. After you put it all in, you need to help what's coming out not to come out with such fury. Oh yes, it's all very clear now. Just look at that. You know, this is where I kind of pause and spend some time, particularly for the olives. Love my olives so much. And of course, being a Spanish brand, you must have the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar. You just must. Must have the fruits and veggies with the cottage cheese and the yogurts. It's just something that has to happen, right? Yep, we've got steamed vegetables. Really very good. Fried plantains. And of course fried dumpling. Hey, why not? Got to have it. Everybody likes beans for breakfast. I don't know why, but they do. Now, of course, there are those of us who it really doesn't matter whether it's morning or night. You must have your hard food, your brown stew chicken, your steamed white rice. Can you imagine? For breakfast, steamed white rice. Wow. Now this is where I will take my stuff. Yum. It's nicely set right here. And then of course salt mackerel. Salt mackerel for sure. Have a dip, don't let me stop you.
I do like it when they have the kidney.
They have bones in there?
They look so good.
Yeah, they have bones, but pick them out. Just don't eat it. I'm eating everything. Eat everything you can find. I agree with you. Okay. Skipping over to the pastries. Yes, I know some of you are drooling. I'm not a big pastries person, but I like to see them. I like the art of it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Looking good in the morning time. Breakfast, Grand Palladium, Lady Hamilton style.